Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. You're going to love today's recipe. We're making stuffed dates. This recipe is incredible. Dates are cut open, the seeds removed, and homemade marzipan is stuffed into the dates together with some chopped nuts, and the date is drizzled over with some dark chocolate. It's absolutely decadent. I've made this a few times for celebrations and everyone has always loved it. Now you can make this for Ramadan or Eid, Christmas, Easter, any celebration, and it will wow all of your friends and family. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get stuffing those dates. I'm partial to Medjool dates as they are plump and juicy, but you can use any kind of date that you like. In my food processor, I'm going to add 50 grams of ground almonds, and I'm going to follow this with double that of icing sugar. Add a drop of almond essence. Add 1 egg white. This large egg is about 2 tablespoons, so we would add a little less first, and then you can add the rest of the egg if the mixture is still dry. I've scraped everything into a bowl and I'm going to cover this with cling film. Zap this in the microwave for 10 seconds. And I'm just going to repeat this process 2 or 3 times. Once this is done, allow it to cool and we are ready to stuff our dates. These dates have been purchased pre-de-seeded, so I'm going to just pry them apart and grab a small ball of that marzipan and I'm going to stuff the center. About a 1/4 cup of finely sliced pistachios, almonds, and cashews here. Just press each date, marzipan side down, into the bowl. It's time to drizzle these babies with some dark chocolate. I've laid all of these out onto some parchment paper on a flat surface. I have some luscious dark chocolate. I just melted this down, and using a spoon, I'm just going to drizzle the chocolate over the dates. You can melt as much chocolate as you need depending on how many dates you're preparing. Before the chocolate sets, I like to sprinkle this with some pistachio dust as well. Leave these in a cool place till the chocolate hardens and sets, and then you can serve these right away or box it and it will keep for weeks in a cool place. Make sure that it's well covered or the marzipan will tend to dry out. This is perfect for Ramadan or any occasion for your dessert table. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for stuffed dates. It's such a simple recipe, but it has such a huge wow factor. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these recipes as well. And ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating.